Hello again. So this is part two. This is about an hour or so later, and I can show you what we've done here. So there's a board that runs underneath. I wedged it between the iron beams, wedged it up there, screwed it in as tight as I could get it, and then that's from the bottom. So this is from the top. So I cleaned out a little cavity there, and we screwed in this board to the one underneath the camper. I couldn't get it in that little wedge. I still got this rot here, but this will fix it hopefully for now. And then I used a couple bolts there, and I've moved the pulley and put it in there. So so the camper is up right now. It is pretty much even, within an inch or so. These cables over here, it'll run free now. It'll boost up the corner that it wasn't boosting up before. I just have to grease them up. If we go over here, it's my microwave. You can see my cables again there. So they could probably do a better job at maybe leveling it out. It's not perfect, but at least it's up. I can get the door on. I can get the door on right now. It runs. All the cables are pretty tense and even, so I'm liking that. I'm going to leave it up for a couple of days to make sure that this holds. When I go camping anyway, I'm going to bring some 2x4s and make sure that they're sitting up there as a brace, just in case. Alright, hope this helps you out. Cables, rotten floors, something else I got to work on. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed, everybody. Thanks very much. Bye.